Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this short video tutorial, I want to show you how I was knitting these cute autumn leaves. For this tutorial I am going to use Bernard Maker fashion yarn. It's a super bulky yarn and it's perfect for home decoration. Using this yarn you may need coaster or hot pad. Just you will need to cast on more stitches that I'm going to cast on. Look at these cute leaves. Tell me how you are going to use them in your projects. So here I'm using cotton yarn. I'm not sure about the brand, and two strands together and 6 millimeters knitting needles. You may use circular, double pointed, straight, whatever. Cast on 15 stitches. Row number 1, knit, slip the first stitch, and knit all other stitches. Knit 13, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch, and now add 1 stitch. So let's make an increase in this way. Then knit 5, and now we need to knit 3 together. There are many ways how to do it, but I need the central stitch to be on top of the first and the third one. So for this, insert your needle knitwise into the next 2 stitches and turn them and return back to the left hand needle. So they look like this now. And now you may knit 3 together but through the back loop, and you will see that the central stitch now is on top. Now knit 5, add 1 more stitch, and purl the last selvage stitch. So that's what we have. Turn. Row number 3, slip the first stitch, and the stitch that we added, knit it through the back loop, perfect. Now knit 5, then the central stitch where we did knit 3 together, we will always purl it, purl 1, then knit 5, then the stitch that we added, knit through the back loop, and purl the last selvage. Perfect. Row number 2 will be the same, sorry, row number 4 will be the same as row number 2. So let's repeat it. Slip the first stitch. Now add 1 in this way. So you turn it, twist, and place. Knit 5. Now knit 3 together, and you remember we need to turn first 2 stitches. Return and knit 3 through the back loop. Again knit 5. Now add 1 more stitch and purl the last selvage. Great. Turn. Row number 5 will be the same as row number 3. Slip, knit through the back loop, then knit 5, purl 1 central stitch, knit 5, knit through the back loop, and purl last selvage. In this way go on knitting. Row number 6 will be the same as row number 2. Row number 7 will be the same as row number 3, row number 8 the same as row number 2, row number 9 the same as row number 3, row number 10 is row number 2, and row number 11 is row number 3. Please go on knitting. Here I am, I've done 11 rows, right, and row number 12, slip the first stitch, knit 5, we don't add 1 stitch at the beginning. Now knit 3 together, again knit 5, do not add any stitch at the end, and purl the last stitch. Row number 13, slip the first stitch, knit 5, purl 1, knit 5, purl 1. Row number 14, again we don't add any stitch at the beginning, knit 4 this time, slip the first stitch, knit 4, then knit 3 together, knit 4, and purl the last selvage stitch. Great, turn. Row number 15, slip the first stitch, knit 4, purl 1, knit 4, and purl the last selvage stitch. In this way go on. Now knitting, knit 3, knit 3 together, knit 3, and so on until you have 5 stitches on your needles. So here I am, I have 5 stitches now. So what we are going to do, slip the first stitch. Now we need to turn and knit 3 together. And what I'm going to do now, let's take a hook, and I want the central stitch to be on the top. So first insert your hook into the central stitch, then into the first one, and then into the third one. Make a yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches on your hook. Perfect. Make chain 1 and cut the yarn. So the leaf is ready. Here how it looks. Don't forget to iron it. Let's weave in all ends. This way. Do not pull too tight. That's it. Cut the yarn and proceed in the same way with the second tail that we have at the beginning. If you want, you may crochet a little hanger. Thank you guys so much for watching this short tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and please check the written instruction on my blog. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye for now.